In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your phone number on PayPal. Keeping your phone number up to date is really important because PayPal often uses it for security checks, login verification, and account recovery. If you've changed your number recently, you don't want important security codes going to a phone you no longer have access to. So let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and go to your PayPal account dashboard. You can do this by signing into your PayPal account like you normally would. Once you log in successfully, you should land on your main account summary page where you can see your balance, recent activity, and other account information. Make sure you're on the official PayPal website and that the address bar shows a secure connection. Next, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small gear icon, usually next to the logout option. This gear icon is your settings menu. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open your account settings where you can manage things like your profile details, security options, and contact information. Inside the settings page, look for the section that lists your phone numbers. It might be labeled as phone numbers, contact details, or something similar, but you should see your current number displayed. Once you've located that area, click on the option that says Change. This is what allows you to manage, update, or add new numbers to your account. Before you can switch away from your current number, PayPal requires you to add a new one. So in the phone numbers section, click on Add New. Think of this as telling PayPal, here's my new number, you can start using this instead. You won't remove or replace the old one until the new one is added. Now, you'll see a form where you can enter your new phone number. Carefully type in the new number and make sure you choose the correct country code from the drop-down if that option is available. Double check the digits to avoid mistakes because PayPal may send a verification code to this number. When you're sure everything is correct, click on Add Phone Number. After this, follow any on-screen prompts to verify the number or mark